Okay, so people keep asking me how do you do all this YouTube animation stuff? So I'm gonna teach you the basics. Number one, you gotta draw yourself. Like this. I don't care how you do it, but either way, second step is you gotta get people clicking on your videos. So be cool. You gotta have a cool face. You gotta shout about everything. You gotta shout and scream like cool, yeah, epic. And I think the best tip for all of this is what? How'd that get there? What? No, I don't do that. No. Haha. No. No. Oh, and you also gotta make everything really loud.